right now, more than 50,000 UN peacekeepers are deployed across the globe, protecting civilian lives. Far from home, in some of the world's most dangerous settings, they de-escalate tensions between hostile parties, oversee aid delivery, support elections, and create space for political solutions to grow. On this International Day, we honor peacekeepers past and present and reaffirm our shared responsibility to respect and strengthen their work. We pay tribute to the nearly 4,500 peacekeepers who have lost their lives since 1948, including 59 last year. No one should die serving the cause of peace. Attacks on peacekeepers are grave violations of international humanitarian law, and member states must uphold their obligations to ensure the safety and security of UN personnel at all times. In an era of rising tensions, peacekeeping is a proven and cost-effective way to restore stability and hope. But it requires steady political backing and reliable financial support. This year's theme, Invest in Peace, calls for decisive action to ensure civilian and military peacekeepers have the resources to carry out their vital mandates. An investment in peacekeeping is an investment in a safer future. Let us always support the people who help make peace possible. Thank you.